Good morning students, I'm Sanjana Arora, your English teacher. In this video, we're going to practice and we're going to learn how to write a notice. Alright, in the introduction of it, we're going to know that how to communicate from one to one or one to many or one to many for a period of time. Okay, what do you mean by notice? Notice is a formal means of communication. There are two different ways than when we talk to any person who is elder to us or any person who is superior to you. We are a bit formal to them, like those people, right? And if I talk about in writing or in written, there's another communication. With communication, we have two ways, that is oral and written. So it is a written way, that is a formal means of communication. If you want to announce or you want to share some information to the people. Alright, now what is the purpose of it? The purpose is to announce or display the information to the specific group of people. What do you mean by specific group of people, students? Here, the specific group of people means, like for example, if your school, that is the main the institution, the organization, like that school is organizing any competition for 6 to 8 class. So 6 to 8 class के लिए जो notice लिखा जाएगा, that is specific group of people. Where it to be displayed, of course, in the notice board, in the public areas, or in the newspaper. And if I talk about, for example, the LPS is organizing it, then of course in the LPS school, in the display boards, on the display board, this will going to be there. Moving on to the most important thing, that is the important contents of it. The name of the organization issuing the notice, as I quoted earlier, the example, that is LPS school is organizing. So LPS will be the name of the organization who is issuing the notice. The next one is the title. The notice word in the capital letter should be there in the center of this notice writing. Student, you will get to know, like in a better, you will going to understand in a better way when you are going to see the format of it. The next third one is a catchy heading for the subject, for the date of the notice on which the notice has been issued, the body of the notice, that will be discussed in detail also in the video. Then the writer's name at the end, name, that in the capital, and the designation means which means post of that person. Moving on, this is the format of it. One thing, make sure students, that should be always in notice. Notice should be always in notice and in the box. And the format of the notice is that then first thing which you have to be there on the on the top of it, that is the name of organization, school or office. And then after leave a line, then write notice word. Now see how to write a notice here. ये नोटिस आप अपने आप में किसी कैपिटल लेटर में और सेंटर में लिखेंगे बड़ा बड़ा, और देन उसके बाद you write in the left side the date of it, that the format should be same, that is month, date and year. Leave a line and now write heading, and then without leaving line you can start the notice, or even after that you better leave a line for the good presentation. After writing the body of the notice, then your left side, please put the signature of whoever is writing the notice, and then the name in the capital letter, and at the end write the designation. Again, I'm putting you in one, like in notice, that notice should be in box. Please keep in mind it will be of 5 marks. Total marks for the notice is 5 marks. Moving on to the next, the points to remember. What points to be remember? It means we are talking about how to write the body of the notice, as I earlier also explained, or I quoted, that we're going to discuss in detail. Now 5 W's will need to be followed. Like for example, what is going to happen? It means you need to tell the event of it. Where, the next W stands for where it will going to happen. That means you need to tell the venue of it. Then next is when it's going to take place. It means you need to tell the date and time. Who, that is again the W next stands for who can benefit from the information. And then the last one, whom to be contact. Please, these 5 W should be there in your notice. Then only you will gonna get the marks, complete full-fledged marks for the notice writing. Moving on to the next is about the sample question paper. I mean, the sample question, if you have that, on the occasion of this National Science and Technology Day, Public School New Delhi has decided to organize a science fair. Vikram, the secretary of the Science Society, wants to call a meeting for office bearers for the society to discuss the arrangements for the fair, and you need to write a notice not more than 50 words. Let's have a sample solution of it. Delhi Public School, that is the name of the organization, students, and then leave a line, write a notice in the between, that in the capital letter, bold, right? And then after, leave a line, write down on the left side, month, date, and year, April 16, 2020. Then again, leave a line, write down meeting for the science fair. Please don't get confused. This was not the notice to be written for the science fair, but yes, it was a notice for meeting for the science fair. And who all are the beneficiaries? All the members. See, the first line is also telling you about the कि कौन सा इनके beneficiaries है. ये notice किसके लिए लिखा जा रहा है. Specific people are like the members of the science society are hereby informed. So this notice is not for everyone, but it is for sorry, this is only for the members of the Science Society, and are hereby informed that on the occasion of Science and Technology Day, our school has organized a fair. All the members are requested to attend the meeting in the library. Now, where to attend the meeting? In the school library. On date लिखी है यहाँ पे, that is 18 April. मतलब कब होगा? Time भी mention है 10 a.m. to discuss the arrangement for the same. The purpose is also mentioned here. And then at the end, at the left side of it, put the signature, write the name in the capital letter, and then write the designation of it. I hope the notice writing have been much clear to you people. With the format and content, do not forget to write a proper format of it, because format contains marks in it, and the body should have that 5 W's in it. I hope you like the video, students. If you get any mess or any confusion regarding this, you can WhatsApp me and you can call me anytime. I'm Sanjana Arora, your English teacher. Thank you so much.